From the WOUB Newsroom, I'm Katie Dugan with today's News Wrap. An Eastern Ohio grand jury is reconvening to investigate if other laws were broken in the rape of a 16-year-old girl in Steubenville last August. The jury met late last month but adjourned to give investigators more time to gather evidence. One of the key issues the panel is looking into is whether adults who were required to report crimes knew about the rape and didn't say anything. A judge convicted 2 high school football players in March of raping the West Virginia girl after an alcohol-fueled party last summer. The grand jury will meet again next month. The Ohio State Highway Patrol is searching for a Waverly man in connection to a fatal traffic crash that occurred Monday evening in Pike County. A warrant for 30-year-old Paul Riggs Jr. was issued yesterday by the Pike County Common Pleas Court. Riggs is wanted on 3 counts of aggravated vehicular homicide and 1 count of aggravated vehicular assault. The crash killed Beaver residents 35-year-old Tina Ogier, her unborn child, and passenger 19-year-old Mary Jane Cooper, and also injured a 14-year-old male passenger. Riggs was last seen fleeing the scene of the crash around 7:30 p.m. Monday on River Road in Pike County. Anyone with information regarding the whereabouts of Riggs is urged to call the Portsmouth Dispatch Center. And Portsmouth firefighters responded to a call around 10 last night about an explosion on the banks of the Ohio River. The Portsmouth Daily Times is reporting that a propane tank explosion knocked residents of the campground off their feet. The paper said Lieutenant Jerry Cornwell of the Portsmouth Fire Department said the explosion may have been caused by something combustible floating down the river. No injuries were reported. Those are your headlines for this Wednesday, June 26, 2013. You can find additional information on these stories and more on our website at woub.org. From the WOUB Newsroom, I'm Katie Dugan.